My name's Chris Asprey. I'm Sales Manager for Mantic Engineering. Not everybody has a vehicle that has what we call a direct fit clutch. That is, it may be a custom vehicle, it may be a hot rod, may have a non-standard transmission or something like that in it. Today I'm not going to go through all of the absolute technical details because all of the technical details are covered in the brochure that comes in every Mantic modular clutch. However, there are some key things that you need to remember. The first thing you have to make sure of is that the drive line alignment is correct. That is, it's the line between the centre line of the crankshaft and the diff. This makes sure that there's no abnormal strain placed on the clutch and is particularly important with clutches that have solid centres and also multiple plates, which includes, of course, the Mantic modular range. The next important thing is how to adapt your flywheel to accept the Mantic clutch. The first thing is to make sure that you're using a steel flywheel. Mantic does not recommend anything other than a steel flywheel because cast iron flywheels, once you start drilling holes in them and mucking around with them, can be prone to bursting. The first thing that has to be done is to re-drill the flywheel to accept the Mantic clutch. The PCD, or pitch circle diameter, is given in the brochure. And it is best that an engineering firm do this simply because it is absolutely critical that that be central to the centre line of the flywheel. The other thing that has to happen is that there's a 1.5mm step machined in the flywheel to locate the drive blocks. This is critical to enable the clutch to work at the correct height and also to make sure that the drive blocks are in position. On the underside of every pressure plate, there is a similar groove, again to locate the drive blocks from the top. So it's absolutely critical that that be done. The actual dimensions are fully covered off in the brochure. With the release bearing, you have to have enough room to fit the release bearing in, and it has to have enough throw to make the clutch release and work properly. Again, in the brochure, it's fully covered off, how much you need and how much throw you need. It may be necessary to install a pedal stop to stop the clutch overthrowing, depending on the vehicle application. So you need to be aware of that and make sure that the clutch is not overthrowing. One of the critical parts of the brochure is all the installation heights, torque settings, drawings and tables to tell you all the information you need to install a non-direct fit clutch or a custom clutch into your vehicle. After you've got it in and working, it's critical that the clutch be bedded in, particularly if it's a cerometallic clutch. It takes some time in some applications, so please read the instructions in the brochure. Full installation information is packed in every kit. If you need more information, go to www.mantic.com.au and have a look at what's on the website, including a DVD on how to actually install the clutch.